If you're looking to offer equity to remote employees, Oyster is one of the most seamless ways to do it, and in this quick guide, you'll learn exactly how to use it. Offering equity can be a game changer for your team, but the process can be tricky, especially when working with remote employees. Fortunately, Oyster simplifies this process, making it accessible and manageable from anywhere. Stick with me until the end, and I'll share an exclusive bonus that you can use to get Oyster for free with an extended trial. First, let's talk about what Oyster does. This platform is designed for remote-first teams, helping them manage everything from payroll to compliance and, yes, equity. So, if you're a growing remote business, you can use Oyster to provide equity to your employees no matter where they are in the world. They handle all the legal and logistical details so you can focus on running your business. To offer equity through Oyster, start by creating an account. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to manage your team, define equity plans, and make sure everything is compliant with local laws. One of the major benefits of Oyster is its ability to streamline the process, making it easier for you to set up and distribute equity without the headache of managing a complex system. When setting up equity, you'll have the option to define what type of equity you want to offer, whether it's stock options, grants, or other forms of ownership. Oyster lets you customize these options to fit your company's needs. You can allocate equity to individual team members based on their role, tenure, or performance, and you can even set vesting schedules to ensure that employees stay motivated and committed to your company's success. The platform also helps you manage the tax implications of offering equity. Whether your employees are in the US, Europe, or Asia, Oyster ensures that you're staying compliant with local regulations, which can be a real challenge when you have a global team. They handle things like tax reporting and legal paperwork, saving you time and reducing the risk of costly mistakes. Another great feature of Oyster is its transparency. Employees can log into their own portal to view their equity, understand how it's growing, and track their vesting schedule. This not only motivates employees, but also builds trust by keeping them in the loop. Plus, Oyster helps you manage equity distribution efficiently, so you don't have to worry about all the paperwork or manual tracking. Offering equity to remote employees through Oyster isn't just for big companies. This software is designed for startups and small businesses too. So, if you're a founder or part of a growing team, this tool can help you attract and retain top talent by giving them a stake in the company's success. And offering equity is a great way to keep your team motivated and aligned with the company's long-term vision. To make it even better, Oyster integrates with other software you might already be using, like accounting platforms or HR tools, making it even easier to manage the entire employee lifecycle. You won't have to juggle multiple tools or worry about data syncing between different platforms. And remember, you can try Oyster completely free through the link below. I'm also offering you an extended trial so you can see for yourself just how easy it is to manage equity for your remote employees. The process is simple, streamlined, and compliant, giving you the peace of mind to focus on growing your business while keeping your team happy and motivated. So, if you're ready to offer equity to your remote employees and take your business to the next level, click the link below for your exclusive free trial and get started today.